Welcome to Devdaha Medical College, where dreams take flight and knowledge knows no border. Nestled in the heart of Tarai, Vairava, just a few kilometers away from the Indian border, Devdaha Medical College welcomes students from across the globe.
Hello, myself Akash Kumar Jaiswal. I am from Gazipur, Uttar Pradesh, India.
Hi, I am Erika Nayyar and I am from Himachal Pradesh, India.
Hello, myself intern is Nityas. I am from Gorakhpur, UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Hello, my name is Anubhav and I am from Noida, India.
Hello, myself intern Dr. Devdaha from Gorakhpur.
Hello, myself Abhishek Kumar Jaiswal. I am from Chandauli district, which is in Uttar Pradesh, India.
Hi, my name is Dhruv Mishra and I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Kumar. I am from Patna, Bihar.
Embrace a peaceful study environment in one of Nepal's safest cities, Butual and Vairava. Experience a homely environment with shared languages, food and vibrant culture. Butual Vairava welcomes you with open arms. Our college has produced hundreds of alumni who have left their mark on the world, excelling in various fields and making us proud every day. Your comfort and well-being matter to us. We offer separate hostels for boys and girls, ensuring a safe and conducive living space. Practice what you learn, right where you learn it. Our college's own hospital allows students to gain real-life experience during their academic journey. At Devdaha Medical College, we foster a diverse and inclusive community, welcoming students from different parts of India and the world. We believe in learning by doing. Our practical labs and comprehensive libraries equip our students for excellence. To our Indian students, worry not. Our principal himself hails from India, ensuring you have a guardian throughout your 5-year journey at Devdaha Medical College.
I am Dr. Prakash Chandra Mahajan. I am working as a principal. This college is a prestigious college of the Tarai region of the Nepal. Initially, we are having only 30 students, but now we are having 50 students. And students are from not only from Nepal, but all over India we are getting. Even we are getting students from the Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, UP. So we are getting students from all over India and Nepal. Our staff is well versed in all the branches. We are having expert teachers and skilled teachers for teaching all the medical subjects to the students. We are sending them in the field. So we are having well equipped area. Some areas has been adopted by us for the teaching of the students. We are also sending the students to the school and other institutions for knowledge and training. Those who are from India, 100% students got passed from the MCI examination of India, and also our students, 94% students got passed or cleared their examination, license examination in Nepal.
Don't let this opportunity slip away. Join Devdaha Medical College today and witness your dreams soar to new heights. Don't wait any longer. Book your seats now and secure your admission to Devdaha Med